Hi everyone, it's Magical Mom Laura, and I wanted to share with you my morning routine as a solo mom at Disney World. This is the 5th trip I have taken my daughter Landon on to Disney World from Philadelphia. The first one, she was 1 year old. The last one before this, she got pneumonia and we were in the emergency room twice. So we've had some challenges, but most of the time it's very magical. Disney World can be very overwhelming with 2 adults. So even though we've made magical memories together, it can be a lot and there's been tears. So I wanted to share with you how I get out the door in the morning as a solo mom. I usually wake up around 7, head in and take a shower while she is still sleeping. The All-Star resorts are great for this because they have a slider door and it is completely black in there, so it doesn't disturb them while they are sleeping. I usually get half and half for the coffee machine, or recently I found these cans of cappuccino, which are really good. They had them in the All-Star Music Resort, which is really nice because when you are solo, it's hard to get down to the food court and get coffee.
I'll show you my setup. I have my toiletries, like skincare, my cappuccino, which they sell these now. I've never seen them before at the All-Star Music Resort, food court, Landon's toothbrush and stuff, my toiletry bags, her hair stuff, and my curling iron with the sleeve. That is to wash her Yeti and sippy cup. We have our shoes here, our 2 jean jackets that we wear on travel days, and we have 2 more days left of our trip, so her other 2 dresses. Honey, are you awake? Good morning. What are you doing in that bed? You're in this one. Did you bed hop? You silly girl. Oh, we have Epcot today. It's time for a bath.
While I was getting her bath ready and finishing up getting ready, she wanted the desk from the pull-down Murphy bed. She said she wanted to do her homework, so we got that set up for her while the bath was running. And then for a bath toy, I honestly just use the plastic cup that's in there in the resorts, and she has the best time.
Voila, you push the chair.
Annie, you want to wear Minnie Mouse or Snow White dress today?
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse? Okay. I get our outfits all set out on the bed so she can get ready independently. And we always do biker shorts with a dress. And I had to finish up my makeup.
The only thing I have is a banana.
Usually at the resorts, quick service and food courts, they'll have fruits and snacks, so I'll grab those. She wanted her vitamins, and then any dirty clothes I put back into a packing cube and use those as a dirty clothes hamper. I was all ready to go, and now it's time to get her ready. I'm gonna finish getting ready. I'm almost done. I just need to pack up the bags and everything. Landon's gonna watch some Blueies. I need to get her suntan lotion on her, bags packed, shoes on. I think we're ready to head out. You definitely need to sunscreen up, and it's easier to do it before we get out the door. With kids, it's really easy to use a makeup brush to put the face lotion on. I just find all the other things don't work as well. So we've been doing this for a while and it's worked well. And then I usually get a travel spray sunscreen and we spray her down, and then I throw that into the park bag to spray down throughout the day. And then it takes me a while. I have a checklist to get out the door, so I pack up our park bag and my Loungefly bag. So she is watching Bluey while I finish packing everything up, and I fill up her Yeti typically with ice as we walk out from the ice maker, and then I'll put it in the stroller backpack. And then that way I can just fill it by a water bottle when I get there. Fill it, and we have nice cold water for the day. So the way I do it solo is I carry the stroller bag, and then once we get through security, it goes underneath the stroller. And then my Loungefly is my park bag with all my valuables. She's in charge of that.
until we get off the bus, because I have to carry the backpack and fold up the stroller, and then she takes the Loungefly on. And that is our system. And when you go through security, you have to pull the bag out anyway. So I just keep the stroller bag on my shoulder, go through security, and then reset up the stroller after security, put her fan on, put the bag underneath, and put my Loungefly on, and then we're ready to go. It's an operation, it's a system, we have it down. Look at you. Can I get a twirl? You are all polka dotted out for Epcot. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, can you be in charge of my Loungefly until we get on the bus?
Okay.
All right, let's do this. Put your fan in.
I put
Yeti. My fan. And we need your magic band. You gonna put that on?
Mom, do it again on the other knee.
We are home. She wanted to do like night swimming, and Coco started. It's 8 o'clock out at the pool. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna rally. Let's do it, Landon. And then I got here and the air conditioning hit. It has been the hottest day. It's like, feels like 100, and when there was no cloud cover, it was brutal. So I was like, dude, like, what if I could get Bluey on? Like, would you can watch Bluey, let's just chill. She's like, that sounds good. I was like, phew, I'm so happy. I'm so on board for this. My calves, we walked, I think I walked, she didn't walk. I walked, I think, another 6 miles. Yep, 6 miles today. So I got off the bus and my calves were like, what did you do to me today? I do want to say it's been some ups and downs with her and I. She's not been the best listener lately, and yeah, it's been a bit of a struggle, especially like last night and this morning. But in some ways, like, I really appreciate it because it causes both of us to sort of regroup in our head and do better, if that makes sense. So what I mean is that, like, I had to work on like being more patient with her and letting her have her time to explore, and also I like, it also reset me to praise her when she is doing the right things, which you forget as a parent. So there's that. And then I feel like on her side, it was a good reset to appreciate me more, not take things for granted. And she wants to do better. At this age, they want to do better. They're not trying to be little demons, and not listen. But it's hard for them. Like, she gets in her own world, and I'm sure if you have a 5-year-old or somewhere similar, like, they just get in their own world, and she's very imaginative, and she just can block me out. So yeah, I feel like I'm appreciative of us, like, having a bit of a hard time and having talks and getting through it, and she and I were appreciative more of each other, if that makes sense. So this was a great day. I had the best day at Epcot with her today.
Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe.